A story from the insurance space. The Department of Financial Services is going to be meeting life and general insurance CEOs tomorrow. Yash joins in to tell us what perhaps could be on the agenda. I don't know if they're still going to talk about GST and the lack of their input tax credit or not. But Yash, what's the likely, talking point?
Well, you exactly preempted it. It is about GST and the demands, but the difference is going to be that the demands amongst the industry now have been firmed up. There are two important demands, and Department of Financial Services officials are expected to meet the CEOs of life and general insurance industry tomorrow itself to discuss these demands and understand the rationale behind the demands. As far as the meeting itself is concerned, this meeting will follow a letter or a presentation which will be sent by the life insurance industry to Department of Financial Services, Finance Ministry, as well as CBIC. And that presentation or the letter is expected to be sent today itself, after which tomorrow the meeting is scheduled between DFS senior officials and the life and general insurance CEOs. Now, what are these two important demands? The first demand is make GST changes prospective. The simple argument from the industry today is that, if you are bringing changes to GST, then why not make it on policies sold after September 22nd, which is when GST becomes applicable, the changes become applicable. The reason behind that is because the industry says that the policies which were sold before that were priced keeping in mind the input tax benefit which the industry was getting. The premium pricing was done keeping in mind that input tax credit benefit. And now suddenly with the changes, you can't reprice the policies and the industry has to take that loss on its books when it comes to that particular element. If not, just, a demand on the other side of the same core demand would be that make GST changes, that is exemption on life insurance policies, prospective, that is after September 22nd. So everything that was sold before that would attract the same GST rate, that is 18%, the same ITC benefit of 18%, and exempt status would only kick in for policies sold after September 22nd. That is the first demand. The second demand is essentially commissions to be exempt from GST for new policies. Now, the government has made reinsurance exempt, but the industry is seeking the commission part of it to also be exempted from GST. Now, reinsurance and commission both together form about 80 to 85% of the total expenses. The industry believes that if commissions are made exempt from GST, then, there won't be any additional cost on the books of insurance companies, and they would very conveniently pass on the entire benefit of GST to policyholders. These are the two demands. The meeting will be very crucial between DFS senior officials and the life insurance industry CEO tomorrow.
Absolutely. Yash, thank you very much for that. So we'll keep an eye out on this one.